Hello friends. Today I'm going to talk about Life of Adelie penguin. The Adelie penguin lives along the coastline and the small island of the Antarctic continent. It breeds in rocky, ice-free coastal areas. When the sea freezes in the winter, they travel north and forage in the open ocean. Warming of the air and ocean is causing a decline in the West Antarctic peninsula colonies. In comparisons to other penguin species, Adélie penguins are mid-sized, ranging from 18 to 28 inch and weighing 3.6 to 6 kg. Adélie penguins have the characteristics black and white plumage familiar to all penguins. But the distinguishing features is the white ring around the eye and red bill. They have thick layer of fat to keep them warm in a cold climates, and feather provides a waterproof coating. The feet are strong and webbed, with nails that assist with climbing and sliding. Where do Adélie penguins live? Adélie penguins inhabit coastline of the Antarctic on or near sea ice. They head north to the sea ice during colder winter months to take advantage of the plentiful food source, and south during summer, where they congregate on ice-free beaches or rock to breed. They are one of only two penguin species on the Antarctic mainland, the other species being a emperor penguin which is much larger. What do Adélie penguins eat? Adélie penguins are carnivores that get 100% of their food from the sea. They are excellent swimmers and can dive to depths up to the 574 feet. They forage for crustaceans, fish, and squid in the Southern Ocean, with krill making up a large part of their diet. Do Adélie penguins have teeth? Adélie penguins do not have teeth, but instead have tooth-shaped barbs on their tongue and roof of their mouth that assist in swallowing. How much food can Adélie penguins eat in a day? Adélie penguins are efficient hunters and can eat up to 2 kg of food in one day. Do Adélie penguins drink water? No, Adélie penguins do not drink water, they eat snow. They also have a special gland in their nose that removes salt from the seawater they consume when swallowing their fish prey. Do Adélie penguins mate for life? Adélie penguins spend October to February breeding in rocky ice-free coastal areas. Penguins mate for life. During the breeding season, the males arrive at the coastline breeding ground first and they begin building nest out of pebbles. The females arrive a few days later, and after courtship, the male and female pair complete their nest together. Sometimes adults steal rocks from other nests instead of finding their own construction materials. Females lay two eggs a couple of days apart, and both parents take turn incubating them for around 35 days. While one is incubating the egg, the other goes on feeding trips for up to 10 days at a time. One hatch, the fluffy, clumsy chicks are very vulnerable to predation by giant petrels and skuas. At the age of 3 weeks, they start to rely on safety in numbers and gathered in a small group called creatures to protect themselves from predators and harsh weather, which allows both parents to resume foraging at the same time. Young Adélie penguins can fend for themselves at around 2-3 months old. Are Adélie penguins sociable? Adélie penguins are highly sociable animals that congregate in large groups known as colonies. One of the largest penguin colonies is on Ross Island, where more than 500,000 Adélie penguins aggregate. What are the main threats to Adélie penguin? Adélie penguins are one of the most widespread Antarctic species, and the population numbers are stable or increasing across much of their range. They are classified as least concern on the red list of threatened species. Are Adélie penguins at a risk from climate change? Adelie penguins rely on sea ice, so any loss because of climate change has the potential to affect populations. Climate change does not appear to be impacting all Adelie penguins colonies. Through the West Antarctic Peninsula, colonies are declining. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. You can see very important videos for your life.